eat our dinner. Yummy. It's working here at Raminagi. Raminagi. Hey, what's up? Hey, ano? Ha? Ulinak mo ba? Oh, malait na. Let's eat. Yato. Oh, yeah. Wow, what is this?
Wonder Cafe.
Wonder Cafe. Oh, see? Right. Happy.
Ito may partner.
Show me. Wow! Yung iba?
Humigot.
Oh, solid oh. Solid. The belly.
King.
Butaw king. Oh. Can you mix it with
Chato.
Butaw King.
Yeah. Alright. This one's butaw, but different.
Same din. Mainit.
This is mine. Kasi hinintay pa yung pusit. Kaya look at this. Ooh, see? Wow. Good. Oh, alright. Oh. What is this one?
I don't know.
Rice? Oh, okay. This one is Black King, right?
Black King.
Black King.
What is that?
Mixed it.
Could you get a spoon for the spice? Wait lang. Then we'll wait for the spoon.
They're so good. This one's the smaller version. Kiddie ramen. Very ano lang, small talaga. This one, kiddie. We call this kiddie meal, but it's look like kid, but it's not adult. See, the kiddie meal, nasa ano siya, nasa toy car. Rice with the gyoza, and then a little BGS with something. Alright, enjoy na.